If gold and silver backed currency really does offer so much more value than the cash we are using today, why did we stop using it? Why did gold and silver stop being money? Throughout the 19th century and the early 20th century, currency is made up of two main forms: commodity money, which is currency that is made from or uses a precious commodity, or representative money, currency that has no value on its own but represents and is exchangeable for a chosen commodity. The commodity of choice, gold and silver, as they were universally valued no matter where they were used. The problem with this commodity-pegged system is that it causes money supply to be limited and restrictive. In this system, money can only be created as new supplies of gold and silver are made available. No new supply of gold and silver means no new money. This limits the government's ability to spend and proves to be very inconvenient, especially when a large amount of money is needed to fund significant national campaigns, such as funding the military in World War I and World War II. As a way to get around the problem, the state governments started creating the currency supply first. The intention and assumption was that the newly printed currency can eventually be backed up later as new supply of gold and silver eventually gets brought into circulation. Technically, this new supply of currency is a debt that the governments should pay for by sourcing out new gold and silver holdings to make up for the excess currency. Should they fail to do so, these new currencies should be written off and removed from the system until there's enough gold and silver to supplement them. In fact, that would have been the most prudent and proper way of managing state wealth. But whenever new currencies are printed, they were put immediately to use as means to aid businesses, give benefits to the citizens, and even pay for new resources that the country has bought. This virtually introduced the new currency supply permanently into circulation. It becomes impossible to eliminate these new currencies from the system. The only way is to increase taxation, which will only prove to be unpopular. No government wants to be an unpopular government, so the creation of new currency is left to take its course. There's a third alternative: debase or devalue the currency. This was done by increasing how much money you need to exchange for the same amount of backing commodity, or even reducing the quality of the commodity itself. However, debasement or devaluation of currency reduces its purchasing power, which leads to inflated prices of goods, increased wealth gaps, ultimately triggers many of the world's problems that we see today. Want more simplified explanations of all things related to finance, money and investment? Give this video a like, comment what you want to see next, and subscribe to the channel to be notified of updates. You can also visit lastshotfinance.com to keep up to date on my own financial journey.